Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. I'm so proud of all of you. We are coming towards the end of the year. The end is what really counts, how you finish. And I am so proud of all of you. You are doing absolutely brilliantly. So, year 3 and 4 at Grange, children of Grange, pupils of Grange. We know what we're aiming for at Grange. What is our Grange CC way? Well, we have a great caring attitude. We do care. We don't say we don't care, we do care. And even though that means that we have to try our best, and that can sometimes mean that we make mistakes, but we're always learning. And if we make a mistake, what do we do with our mistakes at Grange? Just going to pause for a moment. You're all thinking in your head, what do we do with our mistakes? We learn from them, we grow from them, because we're always going for improvement and progress. We just want to get better and better. We want to always be working towards being our best. We use everything we learn. We use our education to help us to make great choices. And we never give up, because we are Grange CC learners. We know about physical strength. That's really important. We need to eat well, healthy stuff. We need to drink well, healthy. We need to sleep well, we need to exercise. That's all important. We know that our true strength comes from deep inside us, our strength of character, our character strength. And that can help us to overcome any challenge, any problem that we face in life. And the truth is, if we face up to that challenge with our character strength and we come through it, which we will if we face it with character strength, as hard as it is, we grow from that. And that's why at Grange, we talk about character strength, and we have our very own, our unique way, the CC way, confidence and consideration. Everything, that's what we say at Grange, everything comes down to these two words, to these two concepts. Having confidence for ourselves, really wanting the best for ourselves. We're not afraid to say that. We want the very best for ourselves because we are confident, and we're not ashamed to say we are considerate. We have consideration. We care about all those around us, and we care about the world, and we believe that kindness is strength. And if we are kind and if we are considerate, we make the world a better place. If the world is a better place, it's good for everybody, including for ourselves. And that's why we want the CC way, we want confidence and consideration. That's why we're so proud of being part of Grange. We have our CC way. Now, here are some Grange pupils of power that give us hope. And there's so many of you, and I know that you're all doing this. These are just children and people that I've seen during the week. And you know that you can always come up to me if you spotted somebody else doing amazing acts of character strength. Just tell me, and then I can put them in the video. Aaron, I want to say your attitude towards Spanish is just amazing. You always greet me, but you make such an effort to greet me in Spanish. And now that we're doing our Spanish routine of ¿Qué día es? And you always answer me, hoy es, well, because I'm recording on a Sunday, so it's hoy es domingo. Semina, you're the same. Your attitude towards Spanish, and I've got to say your attitude towards everything is a great CC attitude, a great combination of confidence and consideration. And I know, again, if I ask you, ¿Qué día es mañana? Now, that's because I'm recording on a Sunday. So what day is tomorrow? ¿Qué día es mañana? Mañana es lunes. And that is wonderful. We are speaking Spanish at Grange. It's amazing. Next Pupils of Power is all of the Holmes class scientists. I've got to say, I went to visit a lesson. I love visiting lessons. I'm going to try and visit more lessons. I'm grateful to the teachers and educators of Grange because they open their doors and say, welcome, come and visit, come and see our lessons, come and see all our amazing children learning. And I came in to see, and Miss Naidu and Miss Mehta, you were just inspiring the children, and you were talking to them about being scientists. And I was blown away, Holmes class, by your knowledge and just your passion for learning about rocks. You are true scientists. And I know that's happening in the other classes as well. I will try and come and visit as well. I'm just calling it as I see it. I went in their Holmes class. Give yourselves a pat on the back because you are scientists. And last pupil of power for today is Pasha. Pasha, you always have a smile on your face. You always greet me, and you're great at teaching me Farsi as well. You just have a superpower of positivity. So thank you for your hope that you give. So remember, anybody, adults or children of Grange, if you see, or parents, carers of Grange, if you see a person, a child of Grange, giving us hope through their character strength and power, just let me know and I'll put them in the assembly. There they get the wiggle. And we are on to our character strength focus for today. Right, so what I'm going to focus on is something really, really interesting. So about 2 weeks ago, our very special friends at Grange, David and Edwina, they are, or Mr. Herbert and Miss Nami, they are our Grange school development partners. Their job is to come in and help us always, because we can't always see it, because we're so busy learning and teaching and working that we can't always see everything that we could do to get even better. And they always come in and help us to get better. They're our school development partners. Some people call them school improvement partners. They came in and they walked and they visited every class. And they gave us some really amazing advice. They said, we've got to concentrate on this character strength of fairness. Because in most schools, what happens is teacher or educator asks a question and children put their hands up and they go, oh, and we always say, no, please just put your hands up quietly, don't make a noise. But they put their hands up and then teacher or educator picks somebody who's put their hand up. But we realized if we do that, then what's going to happen is there are lots of children sometimes sitting and they haven't put their hands up. Or even children put their hands up and then you're only choosing one person. So actually we decided, teachers and adults at Grange, we're going to stop this business of asking children to put their hands up when we ask a question. We're going to ask a question, ask the children to really listen to the question, and then we'll choose a child to answer, because that way every child is listening, thinking maybe I'll have to answer that question. And then also more children get to answer questions and more children get to ask questions. So it's much more fair. Everyone gets a chance. But we've got to help the teachers and adults to do that. And therefore, I'm going to start off and say 3 weeks ago, we spoke about, or 2 weeks ago, we spoke about embracing the challenge. When things are hard, when you start to learn something, it's very hard. It's a challenge. It's hard because you don't know that yet as a pupil. But we said, embrace the challenge, have a go, listen to your teacher, have a go at the task. If you make a mistake, remember what we said at Grange, we're not afraid of making a mistake. We just learn from our mistakes. So that's what we said 2 weeks ago. Then last week, I spoke about star sitting. And star sitting, if you remember, sit up straight, track the speaker. Where is the person who's speaking? So I would hope right now you're tracking the speaker, that's me. So you are looking at me on the board and you can see me. And you can also see where I'm directing your attention. And when you do star sitting like that, and then you ask and respond like a pupil of power, and you respect everybody around you so they learn as well, well, then you're being curious and you are really opening up a pathway of learning. Now, today we're talking about fairness. So when your teacher or educator asks a question, instead of putting your hand up, is if you are listening and in your head thinking about that question. And then if your teacher asks you, you can give your answer. Don't worry if you make a mistake. What did we say at Grange? We all learn from the mistake. But that's what we are going to do at Grange. We are going to have CC answers, which is don't put your hand up, just sit and really focus on the question and wait to be called by the adult. So we had the star sitting, remember that. And now we're going to have CC answers, which everybody, so fold your arms just so that you can remember this time. So imagine your teacher's asking you a question. What is CC answering? Now, instead of putting your hand up to answer, still sit with your arms folded or sit with your arms straight and wait. And for example, I would say, Mr. So-and-so, could you please tell me what you think the answer to that question is? And then that person would answer. And we all get a chance like that. There we go. So that is CC answering, which is a new thing. So stars of the week, bouncing in is Sanuja, Irfan, Natalia, Adam, Rahima, which is just wonderful. Well done to all of you. So here are the class champions in Lister. It's Pfizer, it's Branshika, it's Asiya, it's Nikki, well done in Lister, and Hussein in Lister, brilliant. And in Nightingale, it's Rahima, fantastic. And Dennis M in Nightingale, Jacob in Seco, Gala in Seco, Alex B in Seco. I am proud of all of you class champions in year 4 and in year 3. Andrada in Beckham, Vienna in Beckham, Amar M in Beckham, Diam in Beckham, Uzair in Holmes, Ruel in Holmes, Maya in Ennis, Hasunat in Ennis, Adna in Ennis, Rocky San in Ennis, Simina in Ennis, and Sammy in Ennis. Well done. So Grange House of Water, look at your progress from last week. You can see that. There we go. That's quite a bit of progress. And we've got Ryan and Delia and Atif and Zachariah and Joseph and Yusuf and Amy and Dima and Alana and Alex B, Issam, Ashvini, Khalif, Maya, Natalia, Simina. Flying in is Louisa, Irfan. And this week the swivel goes to Bassett. Grange House of Fire. Look at your progress over there. And we've got Avi, Zohal, Rian, Yaqub, Kayan, Jahim, Kamani, Laurencio, Abdirahman, Leo, Pasha, Maria V, Yasmin, Ramanullah, Ananga, Jeshwin, Amar N, Gala, Rocky San, Dolly, Hasunat, Flying in Israel, Jalal, and the swivel goes to Pfizer. Fantastic work. And a joint swivel, and I got it right this week, Branshika. So Pfizer and Branshika, you've got the double swivel. Well done. Grange House of Air, there you can see your progress. And we've got Yasin, Mater, Diana, Tamid, Sophia Z, Anaya, Farah, Adrian R, Ibrahim O, Daria, Mohammed K, Walid, Sophie W, Rahaf, Anna Maria, Uzair, flying in is Daria, and Adna, and the swivel goes to Nikki. Grange House of Earth, you get the swivel. Earth was the highest attaining house this week, crashed through the 6,000 point barrier, which is fantastic, and you can see your progress over there. And we've got David, Vanessa, Riola, Justino, Ansh, Zakira, Ranuki, Shifa, Leland, John Anthony, Sharia, Zara M, Nur, Nahara, Ronessa, Afsa, Jacob, Vladut, Sammy AM, flying in is Sanuja, Abu, Asiya, and the swivel goes to Hussein. Brilliant work. So, whole Grange community, brilliant pupils of Grange. Look at us. This past week we got 22,979. That was progress from 22,694. If you like doing mental math, you can think to yourself, how many points more of progress did we make this past week? And you can always come back to it on the video and work it out for yourself. How many more points did you get this past week compared to the week before that? But look at that, that's progress. So who are the classy classes? And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you there's a bit of a shock, wonderful surprise, because we are all a community. So we are all happy for whoever gets classy class. We do have a dream that one day Nightingale will be on the classy classes, but it hasn't happened yet. But Nightingale, I've got to say, you've made huge progress. And in third place is Seco class. Now look at this, over 2,000 points. In second place is Lister class. Now look at that, also over 2,000 points. So we had 3 classy classes, and I'm just looking here. I've got to tell you, we actually had 4 classy classes that made over 2,000 points. So Holmes class didn't make it into the top 3, but they crashed to the 2,000 points. It was a fantastic week for year 3 and 4 at Grange. Seco class, Lister class, but the classy class. Get ready, everybody. Give them all a big round of applause. I want to hear it from our office. Exceptional Ennis class. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. Exceptional Ennis class. You are classy class of this past week. So well done, everybody. So remember our Messages of Hope campaign, and that should be Seco and Ennis from last half term. You need to make your posters or poster, and I'll choose the best and I'll get it professionally made up, and we will leave it in, and we will hang it on the walls in the school. So we set ourselves an incredibly ambitious target of 100,000 class charts points. Could we do it? We've done it before in a whole term, but never in a half term. But look at us now. I'm so sorry, I forgot to update this for you. I'll give it to you now so that you can hear it, but I'll have to update the video. So last week, our running total was 43,341. But this past week, we got 22,979 points. So altogether, our running total needs to be updated here, and maybe I'll put it in the video description. We are on 66,320 points, and we've still got 3 weeks to go. Are we going to get to 100,000 points? Are we going to get there? We're going to have to push it, push it, push it. Are we going to do so well again this coming week? Are we going to have 4 classes in lower key stage 2 with over 2,000 points? I don't know. But one thing I can tell you is I believe in the children of Grange and the adults of Grange, because we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, and we are Grange. We're going to make it. I believe we're going to make it. We're going to get our 100,000 points this half term. So we've had Freddie, and we've had the reindeer, we've had the pot plants, we've had the handprints, we've had the Messages of Hope, the campaign of hope. And if we get to 100,000 points, well, then I'm putting on my tracksuit, I'm putting on my trainers, whole day. We just have adults versus children tournament on the last day of the term. We'll play cricket, football, basketball, debating, everything. Maybe even, I forgot, even we can maybe do chess if people like chess as well. The other thing is that I am also, this term, I'm also going to look and see if I can work out the classy class of this whole academic year, 2020-2021, and then I will tell that classy class in the last week, and then you will have to decide how to leave your legacy. Legacy is something that you leave behind even when you move on. So even though you'll be moving on to your next year, year 3s to year 4, year 4 to year 5, but you can leave your legacy. It could be art, it could be poetry, it could be something, it could be a video that you make, it could be, so that you'll decide that with your teacher, and your teacher will decide, will talk to me, and we will have Legacy 2021 for the classy class of the entire year. So let's be great, let's be Grange. We are people who embrace the challenge. We are brave and we have a go. We're not scared to make mistakes. We learn from our mistakes. We do star sitting because we are curious and we want to learn. So we sit up straight and we track the speaker. We ask and respond like Pupils of Power, and we respect those around us. And today we learned we have CC answering. We don't stick our hands up. We wait because we're really listening to the question that the speaker has given us, the adult, or even if it's another child speaking, we listen. And then when we're called upon, we answer. Because we live our lives with confidence and consideration, the CC way. Enjoy your week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.